So this is the user interface, and let me explain you quickly what it does. So for example, you want to create a new instance, so you can see 4 marks that create 4 unique objects, but you don't know what object is created by interacting with each mark. To help with that, let's first hit the create new button. As soon as you hit the create new button, you can see that there are 4 objects. These are just dummy objects to let the user know what is created by which target. Yeah, so if you just touch on the target, see, now a cube is created. We can select the existing cube by pressing select existing, and after that we need to touch the cube once. Yeah, and then we can translate it. Done. We can rotate it, and we can also scale it. Yeah, so the farther you take the one and closer, yeah, you can leave it wherever you want and then click done. So now we want to deselect this object. What you can do is just click in the top left corner, it says deselect, and we're back to the main menu. Now let's create another object, so we can click on create new. Yeah, and now let's create a UFO. So we just need to touch here, and now we have a UFO. Let's say we want to get rid of the older object, so we can click on select and then touch the cube and simply click on delete, and the cube is gone. Now let's say we want to make some transformations to the UFO, so we click on select existing, we go and select the UFO. Yeah, let's say we want to scale it a bit, so scale, and make it big enough and leave the scale. Let's say we also want to translate it a bit, so we translate it, and we're done with translation. So we can deselect it. Now let's say we want to make some changes to the whole workspace, so we click on select existing. Now we need to point to the ground. Yeah, and the ground is selected. Let's translate the ground somewhere, and let's rotate it a bit, and then let's scale it. So if you need to reset the ground, so we can reset it at any given point of time, and it comes back to the original place. But as you can see, the UFO, its individual transitions were not affected, and it's still at the same place with the same scale and rotation and translation. Now let's say we want to toggle the parent of the UFO, so we just click on toggle parent, and you can see now it moves as the wand moves. And if we want to make it go back to its own system, we just click on toggle parent. See, so this is the seamless transaction.